Okay, here we've got the 250RL Gallien Krueger. Both channels happening. Clean channel. Overdrive channel with gain on. And stereo chorus. Echo. Stereo echo as well. I got the chorus on. I got the clean channel on with compression and chorus on. So that's the clean channel. It's also going through a stereo cabinet setup. Clean channel. Oh, that was on a bridge pickup. There's no chorus. Right, so I'm going to take the chorus back on. I'm going to go to a overdrive, and the gain is on. Oh man, that sounds good. I'm also on a bridge pickup. It's a lot of bark. I don't think I can't remember any Iron Maiden. Why can't I think of any Iron Maiden riffs? Can't even think of anything. Anyway, it's been a while. This thing sounds great.